Don't you worry for a second. All right, if you have a bathroom or a bedroom lock that looks like this, that's got a precision hole in it, this is basically called a privacy key lock. And so it's basically a pinhole. It's not like the conventional deadbolt outdoor locks. So it's going to look like this. All right, you may have accidentally locked the door closed and you can't get in. You might have a pet or a child behind the door. Just make sure you're calm. Be very calm and relaxing in your voice, because I'm confident that I could help you. So you need to find a privacy key. And if you don't have one, I want to show you what to do if you don't have one. So what you want to do is look above the door and feel around. Feel all the way around and see if they put a privacy key. The previous owners put the privacy key up here. It's going to be like a little metal key. And then if you have other bedrooms or bathrooms, check all the other, above the other doors, there might be one there. You don't have a privacy key, you can use a paperclip, you can use a safety pin, or better yet, you can use a precision screwdriver that looks like this. And it's going to be a flathead, not a Phillips, but a flathead, so you can see it's flat. And what you want to do is you want to use this to actually insert in here to turn. Now there's specific way to do it. If we look on the outside, and they're all going to be the same, so yours is going to be identical to this one. If it's horizontal in the bedroom or the bathroom, it means it's unlocked. So right now, if you're locked out of the bedroom or bathroom, it's going to be vertical. See that? So vertical means locked. I want you to visualize inside this little hole is a screw. It's in the shape of a flathead. So as you can see here, this is what's inside this lock. If it's locked, that means that your screw is going to be horizontal on the inside. So horizontal on the inside, but the lock is vertical, meaning it's locked. Vice versa. If the door is unlocked, it's going to be horizontal on this side, and it's going to be vertical on this side. So let's go ahead and lock it. I want to lock myself out. So now we're locked, see? Can't get in. So remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty. So I want to turn my screw counterclockwise to my left, and that will unlock it. I want to put it in horizontally. I'm going to actually go to my left counterclockwise. There we go. Now vice versa. If I want to lock it, I'm going to do the opposite. Instead of going to the left, I'm going to go to the right, and then I'm going to make sure that it's vertical. Now that locked it. Unlock it, put it in horizontally, and turn it to counterclockwise to my left, and that unlocked it. I'm going to show you in the comment section where you can get the privacy key. A lot of 5 of them for like $4 that you can have in your home. I'll put a link in the comment section off of Amazon where you can get it. All right, thanks so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe.